The way you will get rid of your anxiety is if you stop wanting to get rid of your anxiety. Let me explain. The language of your brain is behavior, which means your brain is observing whatever you're engaging with and is giving you emotions and thoughts based on whatever you're engaging with. So if you wake up in the morning and you're engaging with your anxiety by checking on, oh, how's the anxiety today? Is it worse than before? Will I ever get rid of it? You are teaching the brain with your behavior that you love engaging with anxiety, that you love fixing anxiety, and your brain's like, what? I'm your best friend, the brain! I always want to support you in doing the things that you love, and it seems like you love engaging with anxiety, because why would you engage with anxiety if you don't love it? So the brain's like, oh, to support you in fixing more anxiety, the only thing I have to give you is more anxiety. So you can check if it's still there, you can check if, did I fix it? You can do all the things that you love to do. So now your question should be, but how can I stop focusing on anxiety? And the answer is by showing your brain with your focus, with your behavior, that you're caring about something else. And it should be something that supports you. It should not be something that has to do with emotions and thoughts, because then the brain gives you more of it. What could it be? What could it be? The answer is actions. Mindfully, which means taking all your focus, the flashlight shining on actions. Doing those actions that support your life, like building your physical fitness, building your relationships, building your relaxation, building your fun, building your creative expression. And having to do it mindfully, because remember, even if you're doing the actions, but you're still spending time on the thoughts and the anxiety in your head, you're still showing your brain that you want more of those things. To do all of that, you have to have one big shift of perspective. You have to shift your measure of success from trying to fix feelings, trying to make feelings feel better, trying to fix anxiety, trying to chase happiness or peace, to making the measure of success only doing the valued actions. Now, to make that shift happen, you have to have another mindset shift. You have to stop trying to make uncomfortable emotions feel better. You have to be okay with uncomfortable emotions. Because if you're not okay with uncomfortable emotions, you are going back to trying to fix those things, which is showing the brain you like to fix those things. And then the brain, of course, gives you more uncomfortable emotions to fix those things, because you show it that that's what you love. You almost want to see it. Now, you really want to see it as a badge of honor to develop the skill of being okay with any emotions that come up and doing the valued actions with any emotions. For example, I had a client yesterday who said, I only want to do important things when I'm grounded. But then you will never feel grounded. What you really want to do is not feeling grounded, having any emotions, and doing those important things anyway, which is building trust. When you do this practice, you don't have to be perfect. You just want to take up more territory, which means you want to start in the beginning of the day to mindfully act on valued actions. Go out the house right away, because inside your house, you have a lot of access to a lot of compulsions you could do, like scrolling on the phone, hanging around, da-da-da-da-da. But if you go outside the house right away, mindfully, oh, I'm walking right now, I'm driving right now, you're bringing your focus back instead of having these conversations in your head about your boss or something. You are taking up more territory of showing the brain what you care about. And this process, like physical fitness, over the weeks will build emotional fitness, which means you will become a bigger space for the emotions, which makes the anxiety smaller and smaller. You're welcome. As payment this time, I'm not going to ask for $100,000. I'm asking that your firstborn son or daughter is going to have my name.